Hello children. Okay, now we are going to deal with in this video geography chapter number 4 climate. In the previous chapters of geography we have dealt with physical features of India and drainage system, that is river systems of India. Now we are going to learn about climate of India in general also and specifically also. So let us move ahead. So in this chapter we'll deal with weather conditions of our country. So you have always heard these two words, climate and weather. Usually these two words are used in the same context. Most of the time while speaking we use both these terms together or in the same context, but there is a lot of difference between both these words. So let us deal one by one. Let us concentrate on weather. So in simple terms, weather is momentary. Momentary means for time being. So for example, while speaking or asking about the weather, most of the time we use these questions. How is the weather this morning? What is the weather in the evening? Did it rain last night? Or is it going to be warm tomorrow? So these are the questions which are related to weather, because weather doesn't last long. So these examples are in the context to know a weather. Let us see what is climate. Now climate is sum total of weather over a period of time. For example, how is the weather of so and so hill station during January, February, March month? So this indicates a longer duration of time. So climate deals with a weather of a particular period which consists of a longer duration of time. So climate of a particular place has not been formed in 1, 2 or 3 days basis. It has been formed over a longer period of time. So weather shorter period and climate longer duration of time. And that's how people clearly refer to it, saying that hill stations are good during so and so month, or the right time to go to Goa is so and so month. So we decide when to visit a particular hill station. Right, during summer season visiting hill station is good, because at that time it is pretty much cold over there, so that we can enjoy that place. And what is a good time to visit Goa? So if you have visited Goa, you might have seen that why your parents have chosen that particular or those particular days for visiting Goa. Now this clearly explains us the difference between climate and weather. Let us see further. Now, what are the elements that decide the weather and a climate of a particular place? So what are the elements which decide what will be the weather of a particular place, or what is the climate of a particular place? So those elements are temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. So in this chapter we are going to learn in detail about temperature and precipitation. Before that, let us move towards our country, India. India has a climate that is monsoon type, means rainfall, okay? And we know that India is also an agrarian country, which means agricultural country. So good agriculture has a direct relation with monsoon climate. So now you can easily understand why India has a monsoon climate, or why India is counted under the title agrarian country, because we have a monsoon type of climate which is very good for agriculture. So usually this type of climate is found in South and Southeast Asia. That is the advantage as well as disadvantage staying next to the oceans and seas. So what is the advantage of staying next to the ocean and sea? Because it is good for agriculture, but obviously we have learned it right now. And what is the disadvantage? Because of floods, tsunamis and other water disaster caused by the oceans and seas due to the earthquakes. Okay, now let us talk briefly about two elements, temperature and precipitation. Now what is the meaning of precipitation? It simply means rainfall, but not just rainfall. Even snowfall comes under this. So anything like drizzle, rain, snow, it is counted under precipitation. So all this collectively falls under precipitation. So needless to say this, that climate and weather condition of a particular place varies, and also varies from season to season as well. And good example could be in terms of Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir. Both the states are there in India, but both of them have different types of climates. Okay, so if we are in Rajasthan, we observe a tremendous heat during daytime and tremendous cold during the night time. It changes, the weather changes during day and at night also. But what about Jammu and Kashmir? It is extremely cold over there. So let us see it in detail. Rajasthan boils sometimes, taking it to 50 degrees Celsius at some parts, whereas we know that there is snow in Jammu and Kashmir, and sometimes the temperature can hover up to 20 degrees Celsius. And then we have coastal sites. See, coastal areas. India has variety. We have learned about in physical features of India. So India has variety of places and physical features of relief features in India. So we have coastal areas, we have deserts, we have plains, we have mountains, we have plateaus. So everywhere you will find different types of climate and different type of weather over there. So if you visit Rajasthan, there you will find a very hot type of a climate. If you visit Jammu and Kashmir, it is very cold type of a climate over there. Whereas if you visit any coastal site, for example Thiruvananthapuram, you will find it very humid. Okay, so Thiruvananthapuram, where it can be extreme humid, and on the other hand we have place called Dras, that is again in Jammu and Kashmir, that can go as low as minus 45 degrees Celsius. So there are the good examples in testifying the fact that weather and climate changes from place to place and season to season. So both the things, climate and weather, they change as you change the place, and when the season changes, both the things they change. We need to understand precipitation element a bit. Snowfall and rainfall both come under precipitation, because in the upper parts of the Himalayas you will mostly find snowfall. On the other hand, rest of the country receives rainfall. You will not find snowfall in any other regions of our country, and we have a solid annual range of rainfall from 10 centimeter to 400 centimeter. So this was the last slide for this video. I hope you have understood a difference between weather and climate. So the main thing is that there is a difference between both the things. Weather is temporary or momentary, climate is for a longer duration of time. Weather and climate, both the things changes as you change the place. When you move from one place to another, both the things they change, and when the season changes, both the things they change. Now this thing we have learned about in detail in this part of the video. Till then, please watch the video again and again until you get the concepts clear. Go through the same part which we have studied or covered in this video in the textbook as well as in the refresher, and please mark the important points, highlight them, and leave your comments, leave your likes in the comment section, so that I will come to know how many of you have gone through the video. If you have any difficulty, please contact me, message me personally. I can clarify your doubts. Don't keep your doubts in your mind like that. Don't keep the concepts uncleared. Till then, thank you. Bye.